Complex wounds are one of the most significant problems facing healthcare systems and patients today. The wound care product market is estimated to be worth over $11 billion, and total cost of treatment is far greater, with the United States spending up to $31 billion annually on the issue. The problem is also growing rapidly, driven by increasing rates of diabetes, obesity, and aging populations worldwide. Despite the resources devoted to this issue, patient outcomes remain poor, with chronic pain, disability, and amputation commonplace, even in the most well-developed healthcare systems. The majority of wound care products are easily recognized and are commonplace in many households and workplaces. From simple fabric barrier dressings such as gauze, which have been used for millennia, along with silver and more recent silver-containing products, to the more recent hydrocolloids and non-woven fabrics, a variety of products are available to both the public and healthcare providers. While more advanced negative pressure wound therapy solutions have seen increased application over the last 20 years, the majority of wound care is still carried out with a material dressing placed onto and around the wound surface. Over the past 3 decades, a range of advanced materials, including micro and nanofibrous nonwovens, have been developed to address issues seen with traditional wound care products and assist in driving faster wound closure rates and reduced incidence and severity of wound site infections. One well-known process used in the production of advanced wound healing materials is electrospinning. In this technique, a polymer solution or melt is dispensed through a blunt needle or spinneret at a controlled rate in the direction of a collecting screen or surface. By subjecting the spinneret to a high voltage and maintaining the collector at ground a short distance away, the fluid is attracted towards the collector. At a critical voltage, the fluid will erupt into a jet which undergoes a violent whipping instability before being deposited on the collector. Over time, this deposition will build up into a non-woven fibrous mat which can be removed from the collector by an operator. Due to the stretching and thinning of the jet in flight during the whipping region, fibers with diameters in the micro and nanometer range can be produced from spinnerets of a millimeter scale diameter. Production systems for electrospun fibers are sold at lab, pilot, and industrial scales by companies around the world, and several successful businesses in the medical device space utilize electrospun materials in their devices. Based on the well-established process, wide variety of suitable materials, and proof of clinical efficacy of these materials, clinical and market success could be expected. However, this is not the case, and few electrospinning materials are currently seen on the wound healing or wider medical device market. This is most frequently attributed to the process's highly technical nature, poor yield, and requirement for sensitive post-processing systems. This research project aims to redistribute the electrospinning manufacturing process to make the technique more accessible, reduce supply chain length, and shorten the development pathway for electrospun materials in wound care. This goal is sought through the development of a single-button handheld electrospinning system capable of producing and depositing micro and nanofibrous materials directly onto a wound in a single step. This device is designed to receive cartridges of various materials to fabricate bespoke wound dressings for a range of wound scenarios. Through the EPSRC's redistributed manufacturing and healthcare funding, the project has been able to advance rapidly with a minimum viable product now available. The device is designed to receive cartridges of polymer solutions, automatically identify these cartridges, and set all electrospinning parameters accordingly. This system allows production of nano and microfibrous nonwovens in the field without any technical expertise. The compact case design and choice of components allow the device to be handheld, and novel IP ensures that no electrical sensation is felt by the operator or patient during electrospinning deposition. By redistributing the electrospinning manufacturing process to the point of care, this technology allows a range of beneficial materials to be rapidly adopted, helping to address long-standing problems in wound care.